G'day and welcome back. Sorry for the delay. And we're back into it. This is our 5-man connacht. 5-man is there, and then we're going to pop wherever the throw is. We'll talk about that. So wherever the throw goes, the back lifter is going to go around the corner. Tail gunner will hit the middle ruck, and whoever is at the front will go, or whoever's not lifting will go around the corner, and we'll show you in the next slide anyway. Hopefully that wasn't that confusing. 9-10 to our two forwards here. Sorry, that's a little big. I'll try and get that going better with a little smaller. 2 seconds, bear with me. So 9 to 10 into the, so aiming for a ruck here, 1 ball carrier and 12 in, cleaning out, and tail gunner joining that. Alright, then we're going to see, say it was these 3 here jumping. I'd like the back lifter and front lifter coming around the corner, being very animated. Yeah, ball, 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 you know, making sure that we're selling that dummy. 10's going to move around to here, 12 is in there, so 13 pushing wider, 14 pushing wider, 11 will pop out here, 2 can stay into here, and 15, which is down here, is going to pop in and start that sort of arcing run. Here we are in situ. Our middle forwards, 12 and tail gunner, are in the ruck there. Here's our 2 being very animated, looking for it, 10, 13, 14 out here. Here's our 2 that were involved in the lift, coming on that sharp angle, into here, looking for the flash ball. 9's going to fish a little, like we spoke about, to 15 running on that angle coming out there, so that 15 can get into that sort of edge of the 15-meter line here. That's where we want to hit to, and then hitting them out the flat so that we can get some single digits in trouble out here. Okay, we do have the option to run the Aussie with the out the back, because that's 2. Okay, running the Aussie out the back. However, I might just get rid of that so that we don't. Another option can be that 15 just has a dig, keeping that width out there, and 2 sitting in behind looking at for if there's any trouble. Alright, connacht 5-man. Happy with that? Any questions? See me before training, but fairly self-explanatory there. Thanks for that.